So what are we looking at here?
Well, we opened the front here and hinged the front so that you can get into it to service it and grease and whatnot.
Okay. Are you going to give us a walk around here?
Pins go in here, one on each side to lock it into place.
Okay.
This is all I could get for locks in town here. Eh?
Okay. Well, global supply chain is hurting everywhere. So what's on top here? These are the seats?
The seats.
Okay.
As we're going to cut that back plate out there and pull that transmission and put an automatic in.
Okay.
And I just got the steering set up here now. That's why I needed the flat iron for supports to go down to here to hold it. And I'll get a light here.
Okay. So this is a customer dropped off his Bombardier here a couple months back. Dad's just getting everything ready to go here. It's actually kind of been a bit of a busy spring here for Dad, and he's pretty happy to get back to work on customers' Bombardiers. There's quite a bit of work he's been doing here, and you've probably been wondering why we haven't been doing more. Well, I got really sick with long COVID, and Dad's been busy with other projects, so we're gonna start redoing the videos here again.
Okay, this is a Chrysler 318 Industrial.
Yeah.
And the motor mounts are back there for standard transmission.
Okay.
I got to make motor mounts that come from here now down to the frame.
Okay.
Because once you put an automatic in, those rear mounts are no good. And somebody had put headers on here and then made them solid to the body, so I had to take all that off. This is what the headers look like.
And that was okay.
Left and right headers. I don't know why they didn't put a manifold on, get it over with, but whatever they do. And then the exhaust pipe, they dockered them up and put them on like this, solid.
Yeah.
Well, the motor has to have a certain amount of movement, so what'll happen, it'll bugger the bolts in on the headers, eh?
Okay.
And break them off because it has to have movement. So I got to doctor this all up again so it works.
Okay. So
Both sides.
okay.
This one has been switched over to electronic. I don't know why they wanted that, but because if it breaks down out in the field, they're going to have a hard time working on it when they don't have any electronic parts. They should have went for natural, like 4-barrel intake, 4-barrel 600, 700 carburetor, and then all you need is air, gas, and spark.
Okay.
So have to pull all this out. And if you look down here, those motor mounts have to be cut off.
Put a little bit of light there.
Oh, good light. See those transmission mounts?
Okay, yeah.
They gotta be cut off for the automatic. This all comes out then and automatic bolts right to the to the engine housing.
Okay.
I gotta cut this off all out because they welded it in.
Okay.
And this is the rebuilt automatic that's going in there. It's rebuilt completely and drum brake.
Okay.
So that's about it.
So how much longer you figure you're working on this?
I'll be 2 or 3 weeks on this yet.
Okay.
Because I got to put a shifter in the dash and a dash shifter and put everything back together here with linkage to the throttle and shifter. This is just all tacked yet.
Yeah.
I still got to finish it.
So you're happy to be back at it and redoing Bombardiers for guys that...
Yep.
Yeah, good.
I don't mind as long as it's a half decent machine and not a knock over the head.
Yeah.
Every one should be opened like this because there's grease nipples in here. You see right here?
Oh. Okay, yeah, I see it right
You
there.
can't
Yeah.
get at them
Yeah.
unless you take all that out and the heater out and everything to get in there.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay, well, we'll do a progress video down the road, but this is Dad's latest project here, and customer knows it's going to be a while yet, but imagine we're going to have more Bombardiers coming into the shop soon enough.
One sitting outside right
Oh yeah,
there.
right, the other one's outside as well. So, okay, well, so stay tuned for more videos, and if you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure you like and subscribe to Dad's channel. And don't forget that we just posted a for sale parts video on our channel. Dad's got a lot of extra parts that he's selling. And yeah, so till next time.